from Buckridge Homestead. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're gonna make a really yummy salad I call Fiesta salad. I don't know if I made that up or if I seen it somewhere and it was similar to this recipe. I'm not sure, but this is my grandma's recipe and she just called it on a written index card salad. So, but I used to make this years ago, very similar, and I'm sure I called it Fiesta salad. But anyway, it might be called a million different things, but it's really delicious. I'll show you how to make a really awesome side dish or a salad to bring somewhere. It always goes over well and everyone always asks for the recipe. So let's get started. So I just want to show you the ingredients on what the main ingredients are in it. So we're going to start off with these beautiful sweet little peppers. Oh, orange, red, yellow. I also want to use green pepper, which I know that I bought. I don't know if I need both of these, but if not. Okay, so we've got the peppers and the green peppers out, and it's got 2 avocados, 2 tomatoes, and we're gonna use a can of black beans, 2 cans of peaches and cream corn, fresh garlic, and olive oil. And the main exciting ingredients to make the beautiful dressing is a lime and cilantro. It's so good. So I'm gonna go get this washed up, this cilantro all washed, and this is such a good salad, you guys, especially if you bring it somewhere. Oh, it's so delicious. So I'm gonna chop that up and wash it and get these chopped up. And these, it was really weird how they came, but that sure does make them last good. Like that. I bought them like that in the store, which usually I buy a 3-pack, but it's interesting how they package things, that one particular store. So, and I'm gonna get the garlic cut up. The only thing I'm gonna leave is, I'm gonna also cut the tomatoes, but I'm gonna leave the avocados to last because I don't want them to go black. So let's get everything all chopped up, shall we? Okay, I want to get these veggies all washed up first, rinsed off, just because there's so much pesticides and sprays on things, you just never know what is on all this stuff. And whatever isn't good, I will get out my chicken bucket and give to the birds. Okay, so that looks pretty good, and what I'm going to do is chop the ends off right now. Don't want those ends in my salad. And where's my chicken bucket? Oh, here it is. I'm going to put all those little scrappy pieces in there right now. So I use a whole bunch, I should say, of cilantro. So I'm just gonna get that done first, and then we'll set this aside. And I don't want any like huge bites, so I wanna make it kind of bite-sized pieces, but it will get softened in and squished down with the dressing, but I still just don't want any big, long, huge, stringy size pieces. So that's looking pretty good. Okay, I'm just gonna set that aside. So the cilantro is done, and now I'm going to wash these peppers. Them a good rinse. Sometimes I even use a little bit of soap and warm water or baking soda. And rinse them really, really good. So there's no residue on there at all, because some of those chemicals don't just come off with plain water. And bell peppers, I'm pretty sure, are part of that dirty dozen. So these are pretty squeaky and clean, and I've already washed the red ones. And the tomatoes, I'm going to give them a rinse just in case I didn't already. And the ends of them weren't looking too hot, so I'm just going to cut the ends off and give those to the birds, but I'm going to salvage that. You can use cherry tomatoes in this too. It makes it so yummy. If I had cherry tomatoes, I would be using them. Okay, so what else do we have to do? I'm going to cut my lime in half, get ready to squeeze it. And I think what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this cutting board that I used. It's already got food on it, veggies on it, just cilantro, and cut this green pepper up right now. So I try not to waste any of it, and I use all of the top. I just like to pull out all that white stringy stuff though. But I like to cut and use all of this. And I will chop that finer once I give these a little rinse, get rid of these seeds. So I'm going to go ahead and get chopping everything else that I have and get it ready. I'm also going to chop up the garlic, and when everything is ready, we will be back. Doesn't this look so pretty, you guys? Oh, so beautiful. So we've got the sweet orange peppers, the sweet red peppers, the green peppers, the yellow, some tomatoes. You did see me get rid of one of the tomatoes. It was too ripe. It was mealy, and I don't want that in my salad to ruin it. The 3 cloves of garlic, the bunch of cilantro diced, and I also only used 1 green pepper. So now what we're gonna do is I'm going to get a can opener, and I want to open my corn. So I'm going to open the corn and the black beans, and then I'm going to drain them and add them to my salad. Okay, so I've opened up my corn, and I'm using the 2 cans of peaches and cream, and I want to, I forgot to mention before I put it in there, want to really rinse that corn off, all that starch off of it first, before we put it in with our salad. That's better. Okay, here's our beautiful salad stuff. So So I'm gonna put the corn in now. Oh, wouldn't be like me if I didn't make a huge mess. Okay, looks so good. All right, and the next thing is the black beans, and I really would definitely want to rinse them really well because they've got that sludgy bean stuff on them, so you definitely don't want in your salad. And beans are really good source of extra protein. I don't eat them enough, so this is a really nice salad to give that extra protein boost without adding meat, because this is totally a veggie lover's salad, that's for sure. Okay, let's put those on. It's so yummy. Okay, I need a break. I gotta go get some fresh air with these puppies. So let's get some fresh air first. So this is going on day 3 of this crazy windstorm. Our furniture's blown off our patio. It's just crazy. Dogs are pretty scared. They were freaking out, but it's really melting all of the snow. Like, look how much was here the other day when I showed you, and now we just have these little bits left. Plus, there's actually not that many puddles around. It's drying it up. I'm going to go take the chickens some scraps, but I feel like gusts come, I'm literally gonna be blown over. I haven't felt wind like this since last fall, which not even this fall, but last fall was just crazy windy for like a few weeks. Hi guys, are you gonna want to come out of this? Come on, if you want. I'm gonna bungee this door so it doesn't slam and kill anybody. Guys. Okay, I do have some scraps for you. There you go. That'll make them happy. Scraps from the Fiesta salad trimmings. Yeah, it's really windy. Hanging onto my phone. Here comes another gust. This is actually pretty crazy. I hope none of these trees fall. It's been going all night. I haven't slept at all. I feel like exhausted, but anyway, I'm glad it's morning because if it goes away by tonight, I want to get some sleep. Anyway, craziness. Now we need to cut up the avocados and get them all ready. So I leave them for last so that they're not bruised. And I hope these are nice. Oh, that one's a little bit. I picked them out and bought them individually instead of the bag, hoping they were going to be really beautiful, but I might have to cut a couple little spots out, but that's okay. No big deal. But I definitely don't want that in my salad. Otherwise, these were probably perfect yesterday when I got them, and then I shouldn't have left it. I should have made the salad, but I like to eat it fresh. I don't want to eat it I don't know. It does last really good in the fridge, but that's because once the lime juice is on the avocado, it makes it last better. Okay, so I'm just going to dice these beauties up. So good. The combination of the cilantro and the lime is so yummy and so just reminds me of the Mediterranean. Okay, now I need a spoon. So I'm gonna pop that avocado pieces right there. That looks really good. Oh, it smells so good, and I haven't even put the lime, made the dressing yet. So yummy, you guys. Tasting so good. Looking so good and smelling so good. Okay, you guys. This looks so beautiful. Look at that. Everything's coming together. It's super, super easy. So now we're just gonna sprinkle on about half a teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, approximately. And what we want to do is we want to squeeze our lime onto here. Now we'll have to taste it and see if we need 2 limes. We'll taste it after. It's going to be so good. Oh, I want to get every drop out. They're so, so good. And the last is simply drizzle with olive oil, and then we're gonna toss it. So I'm not measuring, I'm just going both ways, drizzling. And now I'm just gonna start tossing the salad. Oh my goodness, it looks so pretty. I remember the flavor in this is like no other. And you've got to really get that garlic mixed so everything's even. Oh, I got a couple long cilantro stalks in there that I don't want. So it just, I don't know, it reminds me of Mexico. So just, you don't want to mix so crazy that your avocado's all mushy, but it does mush a bit, but it tastes so good. Okay, I think it's done. I'm gonna give it a taste and see if we need more lime juice or not, or salt and pepper. You know what? It could use just like a hair more salt and pepper, and that's it. It's perfect. Now you guys can customize this however you want. To your taste buds, maybe you want a little bit more lime, but it's pretty much perfect. And look how pretty that looks. Now, if you're gonna take it somewhere, spoon it into another dish so it's not all goopy. And isn't that look so pretty? So there you go, a really, really quick side dish. Give this salad a try, the Fiesta salad. It's so yummy, perfect for vegetarians and things like that. If people are looking for different options with no meat. And anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for joining me. And take care, you guys. Till next time. And please leave me a message in the comments if you give it a try. Look at that. You can totally do this. Bye, friends. Time for lunch. I'm gonna totally enjoy this. See you later. Oh, I can hear the chainsaws going. Let's go check on the progress of that crazy tree that fell down. There you can see the top of the tree that snapped. Right there. Whoa! I guess this is where he's putting all the branches. Gonna have to burn that or something. Holy moly. Whoa, you've made a lot of progress. That's crazy. Wow, this is crazy. Look at the size of this tree. This is some beautiful wood though. It'll make awesome firewood. This huge tree came down and crushed our fence and the neighbor's fence and took a part of the roof off the back of the workshop. It knocked everything over. Crazy. Well, we may as well get the eggs while we're out here. Already got one this morning. Look at you guys digging all these holes. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be bad looking lawn when this. Oh wow, look at all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good thing I got 2 buckets. 6, 7. Wow. And their new feeder, you just have to kick it, bring the food down. Okay, 6 eggs. Now let's go look in your secret hiding spot. They've been going back here to lay their eggs in the forest. And I saw them sneaking in here. So I don't know if I can see in, but see that little hole in there? They're climbing in there. And I saw them coming out of there. If there's any eggs in there, but they were laying eggs in here last year, and that's incredible that they remembered that secret spot. We even made them a little laying house back here because they kept laying eggs in the forest, but I don't think there's one in there today. So, hey babies. So I think we're good. Let's go check on our cheese. Little update on the situation of the lettuce. Look at this. This butter lettuce is looking gorgeous. I can't remember what day I started these, but the tomatoes are looking pretty good. And this romaine's looking amazing. So, wow, what a transformation. I love this little thing. Well, it's the next day and I finally got in and got a hair appointment. I haven't had my hair done in 6 months. So I'm pretty excited about it, getting rid of this skunk stripe. And I'm trying a new place that looks really fun in town. It's so clean and nice. And I'm trying a new lady as well, which I've never had. Getting some blonde foils in and some low lights. It's gonna be so nice to have some fresh hair. So I just thought I'd share with you going from my hair the way it is now to the final result. And I thought it turned out really nice. She did a really pretty job, so I'm really grateful to her. I thought it looked pretty natural. So Thank you. So thanks for coming along with me on my hair day and making the Fiesta salad and checking out the crazy windstorm and how it took the tree down in my yard and knocked down those fences. It's going to be a project. So I'll catch y'all next time. Please subscribe if you like my channel. I would love to hear from you and leave me a comment. Bye, friends.